I'm excited to share with you our latest project. This 32 GTR has just been completed, so we've had a lot of work going. Car belongs to Jimmy Broadbent, who's a well-known sim racer, and in partnership with HKS Europe, we've put this whole project together. And it's designed really for his needs as a road car, but something with a bit of difference. This engine was stripped bare and we started from scratch, and it's running every HKS part you can think of. So the full 2.8 stroker kit with crank rod pistons to complete the bottom end, and then from there we've got HKS camshafts, HKS pulleys, HKS belts, and you can see the full complement externally as well, the induction kits and the rails and so on. It's also powered with two HKS twin turbos, running a Link ECU, and with the package we've got here, this is going to make a nice comfortable 600 horse, which should put the smile on any Skyline owner's face. And it's come up really clean. The main objective was to have a nice powerful road car, but to look authentic, look original, and we tried to achieve that with sort of not too many loud in-your-face sort of modifications. Everything's quite subtle, a lot of bespoke work and a lot of hours go into a project like this. So I'm happy with what our team have achieved here, and look forward to Jimmy seeing the car. With the COVID, obviously no one's been able to come in and out, so he's not seen the finished product. I know he's excited to see how it's turned out. Hopefully we'll share another video with you when he comes see the car and him out on the road with a big grin on his face. See you next time.